Ethereum ETFs have arrived, with a big explosive entrance too. But we all know that already. What we don't know is what happens behind the scenes. And something that was just discovered is actually terrifying. Elon Musk hits the spotlight again and causes a huge panic among investors. But what is actually happening? Why Elon Musk? And what does Shiba Inu have to do with all of it? Well, let me explain. Disclaimer. Yesterday marked a monumental moment for the crypto world with the launch of Ethereum ETFs. Just 15 minutes after the SEC gave the green light, these new ETFs racked up an astonishing $112 million in trading volume. This approval, which came through on Monday, allowed 9 Ethereum spot ETFs to start trading. The SEC's recent approval is the result of several rounds of revisions to the issuer's applications over the past few weeks, building on the initial approvals given in late May. This move marks the end of a lengthy journey to introduce Ethereum ETFs, following the SEC's earlier approval of Bitcoin ETFs. By launching Ethereum ETFs, these funds are now more accessible to traditional investors who can easily buy and sell them through their regular brokerage accounts. This is a big move for the Ethereum token. Matt Hougan, Chief Investment Officer at Bitwise, celebrated this milestone saying, "We've now fully entered the exchange-traded funds era of crypto. The newly approved Ethereum ETFs are off to a strong start, with a significant influx of capital already being reported." Bloomberg's senior ETF analyst, Eric Balchunas, highlighted this impressive beginning in a recent post on X. The initial trading data shows that these ETFs have gathered a notable amount of interest compared to typical ETF launches. He stated that while yes, Ethereum has had half the trading volume seen on the first day of Bitcoin ETFs, Balchunas points out that achieving 50% of that figure is still a remarkable accomplishment. But then something terrible happened. A tweet caught everyone's attention. X user gives us a shocking update. Elon Musk removes laser eyes from his X profile picture. But why? Especially when the market is showing signs of a bullish trend? Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla, recently changed his X profile picture by taking off the laser eyes, which were originally a symbol of his optimism towards crypto. He had added the laser eyes after President Biden announced he wouldn't run for re-election in 2024. Laser eyes have become a symbol of bullish sentiment in the crypto community, particularly for Bitcoin, suggesting a positive outlook on the cryptocurrency's future. So why would Elon Musk choose to remove these laser eyes on the very day Ethereum ETFs make their debut? It's certainly an intriguing and puzzling move. This move by Elon Musk is particularly curious given the timing. The removal of the laser eyes on the day Ethereum ETFs launch could be sending a message, but it's hard to say exactly what. Is he signaling us for something that is coming? Maybe he's signaling a shift in focus, or altering his stance on cryptocurrency trends. Or perhaps it's a way to draw attention away from Bitcoin and onto other developments in the crypto space, like Ethereum's new ETFs. It's possible that this change could hint at something more concerning. By removing the laser eyes, Elon Musk might be suggesting a shift in his outlook on Bitcoin or the broader crypto market. This could imply that he sees potential issues or risks that aren't immediately apparent to the public. It's also worth considering that such a move could be a strategic distraction or a signal of changes in his investment strategy or priorities. Given Musk's influence and the timing, it's certainly worth keeping an eye on what might unfold next, and whether this change reflects deeper shifts or concerns in the crypto landscape. However, despite the intrigue surrounding Musk's move, the Ethereum ETFs have shown that they really don't care. They have made a massive impact regardless. Ethereum ETFs reached an astounding $1 billion in trading volume on their first day, with Grayscale topping the charts. And this news with Grayscale is truly wild. Remember how back in January, Grayscale was dumping huge amounts of Bitcoin when the Bitcoin ETFs were approved? That massive selling contributed to several market crashes and created a lot of uncertainty. And now, it's incredible to see Grayscale topping the charts with the Ethereum ETF. This shift is significant because it shows a major turnaround. Instead of causing market turmoil again, Grayscale's involvement in Ethereum ETFs is leading the charge and setting impressive records. This change highlights just how much the landscape can shift and how different factors can drive market dynamics. Analysts are also very optimistic about this launch. The successful launch of Ethereum ETFs could be a sign of broader acceptance and adoption of cryptocurrency-related financial products. While Ethereum ETFs didn't match Bitcoin ETFs in trading volume, their strong debut indicates a growing appetite for diversified crypto investments. This initial success sets a hopeful tone for their future impact on the crypto market. But wait, what's crazy is that all this excitement spilled over to Shiba Inu as well. Shiba Inu saw a lucky 7.77% increase in large transactions, hinting at a potential rise in the future. While it might sound a bit silly, the psychology of lucky numbers is sometimes taken seriously in investment decisions and can actually impact the market performance of digital assets like Shiba Inu. The 7.77% increase in transactions over $100,000 that Shiba has recorded in the last 7 days indicates significant interest from major players. These large transactions suggest an accumulation phase, where big investors and whales are increasing their holdings, possibly anticipating a price spike. On top of that, the net network growth for Shiba Inu is also positive, showing a 0.24% increase. This suggests that the Shiba network is expanding, drawing in more users and transactions. But with the crazy excitement roaming around Ethereum ETF today, logical questions come to mind. How long will this excitement last for? How much money will it actually attract in the long term? And more importantly, what is the actual impact on the altcoins market? Well, analysts have varied speculations for the Ethereum ETFs. Eric Balchunas and James Seifert predict these funds could attract about 20% of the investment that Bitcoin ETFs have drawn. On the other hand, JP Morgan has a more cautious outlook, predicting it would flop with underwhelming inflows. Despite a strong start with $200 million in trading volume within the first 45 minutes, Ethereum's price dropped by 2% after the ETFs launched. This mirrors the initial dip in Bitcoin's price when its ETFs first came out, though Bitcoin eventually saw significant gains. It remains to be seen if Ethereum ETFs will inspire similar enthusiasm in the long run. However, with what we have seen, this excitement will surely create major ripples across the altcoin market, potentially benefiting tokens like Shiba Inu and others significantly. As one ex-user tweeted, "People don't get this. Top 20 alts are still weak. No new money is coming. This is good. You are looking at prices on coins with interest at literal all-time lows. AKA the best buy points are still lagging around. New money is going to fly in once Bitcoins bust $85,000 to $87,000. At this point, top 20 alts will fly." The tweet suggests that while the top altcoins are currently underperforming and not attracting much new investment, this could actually be a positive sign. It implies that we might be seeing some of the best buying opportunities now, with prices at historically low interest levels. The idea is that once Bitcoin hits the 85,000 to 87,000 range, it could trigger a surge of new investment into altcoins. If this happens, the top 20 altcoins could experience a significant boost, similar to what we've seen with Shiba Inu. But what is your opinion on that? Comment down below. I'd be eager to read your opinion. If you are curious to find more, then make sure to click on one of the videos you see on screen. And with that, we come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed the video, then please like this video and don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section. This really helps me with the YouTube algorithm. Also, please share this video to as many people as possible. Let's get this news out there.